Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can turn off the haptic feedback and the vibration on your Thinkphone by Motorola. For that you need to go to settings and then go to sounds and vibration and then scroll down to vibration and haptics. And here you have use vibration and haptics in general. You can turn that off or you can make a separate settings. Outgoing call vibration, ring vibration, vibrate first then ring gradually. Alright. Notification vibration and alarm vibration, and here you have interactive haptics, touch feedback and a media vibration. We want to turn that off, and now if we click through the phone we'll feel it that there is no haptic vibration happening. You can do that to save some battery, because when you think about it, when the phone needs to vibrate every time you touch something, that will drain your battery a lot faster. So that's how you can turn off the haptic feedback on the Thinkphone by Motorola. I hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.